Okay, all right. I'm not sure how many of you ever notice. Okay, you can search around, all right, in your Microsoft Excel, right, and you may not actually find the option or the feature to create bullet points. Okay, if it's there, well, congratulations. You do not need to watch any further of this video. If you do not need bullet point, you are happy with some other symbols, like for instance the asterisks or the minus sign, and then of course you can actually go browse other videos. Right? You do not need this. But if you have a very picky boss, right, that insists on just bullet points over here, then well, you need to solve that problem. So over here, you will find that I have created something that looks like bullet point, but actually it is not from the feature up here that you see. Instead, it is actually from a function. All right. So let me just go to one of these. You will actually realize that, all right, this is actually a character function, and I actually put in the number 149, which actually is this bullet point. All right, so if you really want to create just bullet point in your Excel spreadsheet, remember to use the equal, all right, then use the char function, which is character 149. All right, that will solve the problem.